Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to forward a domain in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Squarespace where you want to go ahead and log into your account, after which you'll be able to access your dashboard right here, under which you can find all the websites you can access. So what we want to do guys is open up our website that we want to forward the domain for. As you can see here, it's my website right here. And guys, as you can see in this official support page of Squarespace, we can see how to get started with forwarding a Squarespace domain. And here are the steps. What we want to do first is to open up the domains dashboard. So you can do so right here in the main page by at the top of the screen clicking the domain section next to the dashboard. Click on your domains and here you can now find all the domains that you have. As you can see, currently I have no domains, but if you have and own any domains, they're going to appear right here in this menu. So here guys, after this, you want to get started with following these steps right here. For easier solutions guys and for easier following, I suggest you find this title right here on the support Squarespace website and follow the steps for yourself. Basically, we're going to open up the domain you're editing. So find the domain right here and open it up, and you want to click your website. So after that, you want to scroll down to the main forwarding rules, click the add rule button, and this is where you want to go ahead and in the forward field enter the subdomain you want to forward to, and follow the rest of the steps right here if you want to enter in your URL and something else to go ahead and save your changes. And after that, just save it to your DNS settings and to your domain settings, and this should now enable you to forward from your domain. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.